Hi, my name is Brittany Jepsen of the house that Lars built, and today I'm going to show you how to make a felt ball coaster perfect for a delicious bevy. We've teamed up with West Elm to celebrate Fair Trade Month. West Elm is the first ever home retailer to offer Fair Trade certified goods. Today their program impacts 11,000 workers and creates long-term economic opportunities. We're celebrating this special month with a coaster DIY using felt balls handcrafted by West Elm's artisan partners at Everest, a family-run Fair Trade certified factory in Nepal. These coasters are Pete Mondrian inspired in a super rad hexagon shape. They're so simple. Let's get started. Join us at all West Elm locations on Saturday, October 20th for a DIY workshop where we'll be making these felt ball coasters. You can purchase tickets in the link provided, and we will see you there.